Hi everyone, this is Missy and I am creating another video to walk you through plate 1 so that we can all be on the same page. So one thing about these videos is I know you can do control or closed captioning on the videos, which is great, but if you do closed captioning, please keep it in English. Alright, so this is plate 1. This is the drawing that you're given that you are expected to create an identical copy of. So I have it in front of me, so if I'm looking down, that's what I'm looking at. And let's go ahead and get going. So there's two commands that you're going to be doing with this drawing. And to do that, you're just going to start a drawing from AutoCAD. And then you're going to choose line up here. Line drawing. I'm going to put my first point at, so whenever you click the line command, I just clicked it, it's going to tell you, it asks for specify first point. So the first point I wanted at is 0, so I click 0, and then I press tab and 0, and that'll start me down at the origin down here. And I do that because you're given dimensions on this drawing, meaning you're given how far each line should go, and so you want to make sure you're doing that. And then you also want to make sure that you have your polar snapping on. So polar snapping is talking about the angles at which you're going to be drawing at, and that snapping is anytime you're going to have your line automatically go to a certain point. So for this, you want 45, 90, 135 selected. And then you're going to come over here, and if you get to 45, it'll go to it. And that's what the green line means. So here, you want the green line, the dotted green line, to be at 90 degrees, and your first distance is 2. Oh, I moved it off, moved it back. I enter the number 2 and press enter, and it draws the line. And I can zoom in using the circle part of your mouse right here. So you can zoom in like this. And then if you want to move your drawing, you click down on that circle part and drag your drawing however you want to move it. So I want to get it nice and close so I can see what I'm doing. The next part is at 45-degree angle, and it's 1.5 in length. So I type in 1.5 and enter. And then I go over here, and I'm now at 90 degrees or the 0 degrees, so I want to go straight across, and my distance is 5. So I press 5 and enter. And then I come down here, and I go down 2 and enter. And then I go here at 1.5 at that 45-degree angle and go enter. And then you can either press 5, or you can just click over to this endpoint here and press enter to end the command. So then this is the outline for my plate, and that's what it should look like, is your outline here. But there are those 4 circles, so let me show you how to draw a circle. I want my circles to be in diameter. You can always, if there's something, a little triangle underneath the command, that means you have more than one option, so you click that triangle beneath circle, and I want to choose center, because that's where you're telling the circle to start, and then I'm going to give it a diameter, and I'll draw the circle. So specify the first circle. So let's look back at our drawing here, and we're going to do this circle first here. So looking at this circle, I want to come here, and I know it is to the right 2.5 and up 1. So it's just like in math, if you have a graph with an XY axis, your first number that it's asking for is the X axis. So I want to specify the center point to be at 2.5, and then I press tab, and that's going to go to my second point, which is 1. And then I press enter. It's not working. Let me, I'm just going to escape from that command. So I press the escape button. I'm going to choose again. Specify the center point to be at 2.5 tab 1. And then I know it's diameter is 1, and that is also given in the drawing. So where it says it's for these two circles, the diameter is 1. This circle and this circle, the diameter is 0.5. So I come here, and that is my first circle. And I can do the second circle for you. So you press circle again, and your center point is at 5, and tab 1, and then this one is 0.5, and that's my second circle. So you're going to do the next two circles, and then you're going to save your drawing as a PDF, and you do that by going output. I'm sorry, I do that wrong every time. And then you click plot, and then you're going to choose DWG to PDF. And then you click OK, and it's going to ask you to save it at somewhere. I recommend saving either in your own documents folder or on the desktop, just as long as you know where it is. And then you can upload that file, that PDF file, to Canvas. So that's the first assignment for Plate 1. Good luck!